Have you ever stopped to consider how you truly see yourself? Is it a reflection of love or a projection of doubt? Let's delve into the realm of self-perception. This isn't just about how you look in the mirror, but how you view your worth, your capabilities, your potential. It's about the image you hold of yourself in your mind's eye. You see, this internal view, this self-perception, is a powerful force that shapes our reality. The way we perceive ourselves influences our thoughts, our actions, and ultimately, our lives. It's like a silent scriptwriter, constantly drafting the narrative of our existence. If we see ourselves as capable and deserving, our life tends to mirror those beliefs. But if we perceive ourselves as unworthy or incapable, well, our life can reflect that too. Now here's where things get interesting. Neville Goddard, a profound philosopher and spiritual teacher, taught us about the power of self-love. He believed that love energy is the most potent force there is. When we cultivate love for ourselves truly and deeply, we unlock doors to opportunities and success that seemed locked or even invisible before. Think about it. When we love who we are, we give ourselves permission to dream bigger, to reach higher. We stop limiting ourselves with self-doubt and start empowering ourselves with self-belief. We begin to see possibilities where we once saw obstacles. We start to view our dreams not as far-fetched fantasies but as tangible realities waiting to come to life. And it all starts with how we perceive ourselves. It all starts with the question, do you love yourself? Not in a narcissistic or egotistical way, but in a nurturing, accepting, and empowering way. Do you love the person you are, flaws and all, and believe in the person you can become? The image you hold of yourself is a mirror, reflecting back the success you think you deserve. Is it the successful you or the one who believes they'll never have all they desire? The journey to self-love is a transformative one, often filled with hurdles and victories alike. Imagine a person, let's call them Alex. Alex has spent a lifetime looking at their reflection with a critical eye. They see every flaw, every mistake, and every failure. They are clouded by self-doubt and negativity, and this perception of themselves has stunted their growth and locked many doors to opportunities. But one day, Alex stumbles across the teachings of Neville Goddard. They learn about the principle of love energy and the power it wields. Intrigued, they decide to embark on a journey of self-love. This journey does not happen overnight. It starts with small changes. Instead of focusing on their flaws and failures, Alex begins to acknowledge their strengths and victories, no matter how small. They start to replace negative thoughts with positive affirmations. Every day, they look in the mirror and tell themselves, I am enough, I am worthy, I am capable. Slowly but surely, Alex's perception of themselves begins to change. They start to see the person looking back at them in the mirror in a new light. The self-doubt and negativity start to fade, replaced by self-assurance and positivity. They begin to love the person they are, not the person they think they should be. And as their self-love grows, so does their confidence. They start to believe that they are deserving of success, happiness, and love. They start to understand that they have the power to shape their reality, to open doors that were once locked. This journey of self-love is not an easy one. It is filled with hurdles, setbacks, and moments of doubt. But it is also filled with victories, growth, and moments of joy. It is a journey that changes not only how Alex sees themselves, but also how they see the world around them. And so, our character discovered the power of self-love, and with it, their perceptions changed, and doors started opening. Remember, your beliefs are the architects of your reality. This is a profound understanding that we often overlook. It's our beliefs, our firmly held convictions and assumptions, that construct the world we experience daily. Let's delve into this through the teachings of Neville Goddard, a man who profoundly understood the power of the mind in shaping reality. Goddard taught that our beliefs directly map out the reality we inhabit. He proposed that by altering our beliefs, we can reconstruct our world, changing it from the ground up. Imagine your beliefs as the foundations of a building. If the foundations are weak or faulty, the building will be unstable. Similarly, if our beliefs are negative or self-limiting, our reality will reflect this. We might feel stuck, unhappy, or unfulfilled, but what if we change the foundations? What if we replace the old weak beliefs with new, strong, positive ones? The building our reality will become stable, robust, and pleasing. Goddard taught that we are not mere spectators in the world, but active creators. We have the power to change our reality by changing our beliefs. It's not about wishful thinking or blind optimism. It's about a fundamental shift in our perception, a shift that enables us to see and believe in the possibilities, the potential, and the positive. So how do we change our beliefs? We start by identifying those that are holding us back. We question their validity, their origin, and their impact on our lives. We then replace them with beliefs that empower us, that align with our goals and aspirations, that resonate with the life we desire to live. This process isn't overnight. It requires patience, courage, and persistence, but the rewards are immense. As our beliefs change, so does our reality. We start to see opportunities where we once saw obstacles. We experience growth where we once saw stagnation. We find joy where we once saw sorrow. Change your beliefs and you change your reality. The world is, after all, as you believe it to be. Now, it's your turn to embark on this transformative journey of self-love. It's your opportunity to challenge your perceptions and rewrite your narrative. Ask yourself, who do I see when I look in the mirror? Is it the successful you, or the one who believes they'll never have all they desire? Your beliefs shape your reality, just as Neville Goddard taught us. And the most potent catalyst for change? Love. Love for yourself, love for your journey, love for your transformation. So start today. Begin with a single step towards self-love. Question your perceptions, challenge your beliefs, and allow yourself to evolve. Remember, the reflection in the mirror can change. It begins with loving yourself. With that, the doors to your desires will open. Subscribe for more. Share your thoughts in the comments. Together, we can change our perceptions and create our realities.